In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV into Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know the fastest, cleanest way to bring your spreadsheet data into Pipedrive without headaches. Before we click anything, have your CSV ready. A tidy file makes everything smoother. Include a single header row with clear column names, keep dates consistent, and make sure emails and phone numbers sit in their own columns. If you're unsure about structure, don't worry. I'll show you where to grab Pipedrive's template in just a moment. It's also a good idea to save a backup copy of your CSV, just in case you want to revert. Alright, let's jump in. Look to the left side of your Pipedrive screen and click the three dots icon on the sidebar. This opens a small menu of extra actions. From there, select Import Data. That takes you straight to the import area. You'll see a big drag and drop zone. If your file is on your desktop or in a folder, simply drag the CSV right into that space to get started. Prefer a guided flow? Click. Get started instead. The guided steps make it crystal clear what you're bringing in and where it's going. Inside the import steps, choose the entity you want to import. For most people, that's people, organizations, or deals. Pick the one that matches your file's content so your data lands in the right place. If you want a head start on formatting, look to the top right corner and download the template file. This template shows you recommended column names and structure, which greatly reduces cleanup later. Once your file is uploaded, you'll move straight to mapping. Mapping is simply telling Pipedrive which column in your CSV matches which field in Pipedrive. For example, match your first name column to the first name field, company to organization, and email to email. Pipedrive often guesses these for you, but take a moment to review every line. Pay close attention to date fields, phone numbers, and custom fields. You want each one aligned correctly so your data behaves the way you expect. If something doesn't match, adjust the drop-down to the correct Pipedrive field. If a column isn't needed, leave it unmapped and it won't be imported. When everything looks right, proceed to finish the import. Pipedrive will bring in your data with the relationships intact based on how you mapped it. And that's it. Click the three dots, select Import Data, drag in your CSV or use Get Started, choose your entity, download the template if you need it, and complete the mapping. You're done. Enjoy a cleaner, more organized Pipedrive in just a few minutes.